Oh, you're just better, potato. So much better.
Oh.
He dead.
Shoot it on.
Hey. Look at that. 4th time in a row, no loading crate for anybody.
It's not 100%.
Well, it sounded like you got 2 loading crates in one time.
Yeah, in one game.
And then it sounds like you get a loadout crate like every single other time you go there, so. What's that
Seems
about?
like it. Of course, not now, because we're trying to show you how great it is.
Because it's not great. Oh, more dog cheeks mics.
Oh, guys, there's people here. There's a whole squad.
There's one down here with us.
Real? This is real. This is very real. They have shotgun. Fucking bullshit. Kill yourself.
No, okay, I was about to say it. Finish him.
I got you.
On me.
Wow. We have those kind of players?
Where are they up top?
Yep.
Cracked one.
This is my house, by the way.
Enemies dropping into the AO. Heads up, an enemy squad marked you as a bounty target.
On Hanky.
He's in here, he's in here, he's in here.
Oh, I'm dead. They're on me.
Shit. I thought it was
Hit. Yeah, he messed up.
I'm coming out.
Holy crap. Please, he's 1 bullet.
One
Thank you.
down, one more.
Don't revive me, please.
Oh, what the fuck?
Why isn't he shooting me, bro? What? Is he special?
You guys,
I just got like sniped while I was in the stairs.
No, it was a shotgun. He walked right past me and shoot you.
No, I got beat up by Snoop Dogg. I got
Bitch boy.
Revive
Yeah,
Corey.
you got beat up by Snoop Dogg, bitch ass
Enemy
faggot.
soldier incoming.
fuck this guy.
Kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting.
are they up?
They're below.
Holy crap, you're son.
Marking the rest of them.
Downed him.
How do you even get up on that building? There's a fucking fish for it.
Dude, I'm just pushing the team.
I
Like,
noticed that.
I know where they're landing every time.
Where?
Oh, oops.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Bro got sniped.
It is this building.
Offensive
ping him.
chat warning. What?
Bro, this guy just got an offensive chat warning.
Yo, I just have playing this game, bro.
How do you know?
Pretty good.
Because he said it. He said offensive chat warning.
Yeah, I heard that.
Man, I want to talk so much
Are
shit
we
right
pushing
now,
our
but
loading?
I can't.
Yeah, bro. We can talk
sorry.
trash. You can't. You can't because you're bad. Sit down.
Chat warning.
You're gonna get an offensive chat warning, Corey. Careful. How? You have to be fucking kidding me.
If Corey cares about getting an offensive chat warning, then something's wrong.
Yeah.
Why is he shooting me? I'm not even pushing, bro. Like, are you special?
Oh fuck. Faggot.
Alright, where are we going?
Right back to them, come on. Get your loadout, guys.
I killed one of them.
I will when I return.
Oh, you fucking pussy.
Nope.
I'm dead.
No, he's
You
freaking
guys are
dead.
trash.
Give me-
You guys are
I'm
fucking trash.
You need to.
Oh no, I'm missing with the guy.
Hey, no, man, I'm coming. Nice. And that was a team wipe.
Get
And that
them
was
out of
Phoenix.
our game, bro. Holy crap,
Yeah.
now I can grab Lodi.
Fucking trash. Oh no! He's right here with me, bitch ass. I'm landing right on my body. I want my shit back.
Oh my god. No way he took my gun.
Este maldito con escopeta, eh.
Oh my god, dude! I ran out of ammo.
Damn it.
Bitch ass boys.
Ooh!
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Your squad is down. Stay
Oh,
alive.
you're just better, Potato. So much better.
Located the rest of them.
Oh, guadero de verga.
Yo, that fire shotgun though,
Resurgence has
fucking
closed. No more
slaps.
second chances.
Shit.
You got
Shut the fuck.
They're in the stairs. They're right here.
Shut the
Guys,
fuck
come
up.
here. Everybody, come over here. Guys, come over here. No, Harrison, don't go.
One's cracked.
I killed one on me, Corey. Give me a shotgun. Holy crap, no way.
Broke my legs. Well, he broke my camera, but
No! There's one left. There's one left. He's right here. He's reviving. Damn it!
Holy crap, hit, there's way more than one left.
Wow.
There was one left, and then he revived him.
No, there was 2 teams in there, that's what I'm trying to say.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm running then.
Why did you take my lunch money?
Shut up, faggot.
Run.
potato is better.
Faggot.
Corey, you're getting chat banning or warning.
Damage right now. He has to push.
Oh, carico! Chupame la tuya.
Yo, you're literally better. Oh my god.
10 remain. You're almost done here.
Oh, he's dead now.
No, he's not. Wait up. Oh, in front of you.
I died to Simtex.
Got one.
Oh, y'all clapping.
We're trying, bro. We don't want to do this one. I actually have a whole bunch.
I got down by my own fucking airstrike. Cool.
Nicely done.
Gas is moving.
Yo, did we capture that or did they capture that?
We're about to because I was in the room. I think. Where's the room? Man?
He's on me as a riot shield. We're cooked. We're cooked. He has a riot shield. There's 2 riot shielders. Down 1.
Dude, what the? You better get him, Austin.
Dude, Austin, you suck, bro. You suck, Austin.
Austin, what the fuck? You suck as a
Unless I'm in
teammate,
the
Austin.
building.
Austin, you're terrible. You're terrible, Austin.
Austin, what the fuck?
Dude, did you hear that guy?
Into the AO.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm on my way to the gulag.
Dude, Austin, you're terrible, bro.
We didn't get it.
Yeah, no, your teammates did this to you, bud.
I cracked it! I cracked
Squad
it!
leaders in the gulag. If they survive, they redeploy.
Why are you being so gay, dude? You're
This is your
gay.
teammate's
Your
riot
mom's
shield,
gay.
bro. This is your teammate's
There you go.
riot shield. Don't call me gay.
Alright, let's do what you want. He's on the roof.
You got a whole team.
Yeah, I hear
over
him, I
there?
hear him. He dead.
No. You guys see a team on UAV?
Yep. Oh,
Loading
dude.
in right. They're dropping in right now.
No
Down
way you
one.
got that freaking kill. Holy crap, I made him
Oh, man.
hold it. I swear, every time, bro. Every time.
Squad mate, redeploying to the AO.
Dude, Corey, I swear I thought you were in the gulag because it was the Snoop Dogg.
Down one.
Damn it, motherfucker! How did he fucking?
Dude, don't peek your head if you're not gonna win the gunfight.
Did you guys get the stronghold?
God damn it!
Yeah, we've been got it.
Climbing up the ladder. Climbing up the ladder.
It's right there.
Shoot it on.
Hey.
No, there's somebody over here.
Oh, guy right here.
Nice. Another muni.
Gas is moving in.
Awesome.
New safe zone located.
Not like we need it.
Oh yeah, there was a team on gas station. Down. Full killed.
Someone just landed behind the
There's
building.
another one.
Yeah, no. He's booking it. Oh, there's 2 more. One's hard scoping.
Down to one.
Nice.
Got him.
Oh, the one's behind the building, Corey? Yep, you saw him.
Oh my god, he's one hit.
coming on.
Thank you,
Nice.
thank you.
Nice. Bitch ass fire shotgun using bitch ass faggot. Not you,
Dude,
Peter, the other guy.
No, I know. But like, I'm using a fire shotgun, so.
Well, you're on my team. I don't give a fuck what you do.
I don't want to get killed here
Hey,
again.
dude.
Good play, Potato.
Watch out,
Down one.
My god, does anyone have plates?
Oh, jeez. Hold on.
Fuck.
A bomb
drone.
drone. No way. Oh, I'm running out.
I don't even know where these guys are at.
He's dead.
Gosh.
There is a guy
I
at this building. Not there, but the building behind that guy. It's fully looted. Fuck.
No, you guys have enough money without going to the gas station.
I have 0 plates, Potato. I keep telling you this.
Yes, but you have money, that's what I'm saying. I actually won with the Sidewinder, that's crazy. I only have 24 bullets, and this zone is so open, I can't use the
You
shotgun.
can buy someone back if you can get over there.
There's an LTV
I know
next to
you
me.
do, though.
Yeah, he's gonna get destroyed if he does.
I gotta get loady.
I mean, there's buildings. You could just camp those buildings that are in zone.
Yeah.
Get a better loadie.
Oh, there's a portable buy right there too, but that's probably Hot Boy Central.
I mean, it's his only bet, and it's right next to a building, so he could smoke the whole team if he's smart about it, and if they don't have a fire shotgun. Nope.
Which you know they do.
Yeah. He's down. One on the roof.
No, it's not. No!
gas is closing in. New safe zone.
Nice.
He was right next to you, I think.
No,
Was
he's,
he?
no, he's not.
Oh, me and looked at.
Yo, scammer, get fucking.
He's in here.
Really?
Scammer, get fucking scam.
Watch the skies.
Cover me.
There's
You good?
Yeah. He's right here.
No way, he's down! He's literally down! He's literally down!